Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing the phone to be found. Sign into your My account immediately because find device ties to that account. Once signed in, make sure location is set to high accuracy and mobile data or Wi-Fi is active. Without network, the phone can't report location. Then go to Settings, open My Cloud, and toggle Find Device on. This gives permission for remote locate and actions. Now you're ready to locate or secure the device from the cloud. You now locate and control the Redmi. From any computer or another phone, sign into My Cloud with the same My account. Once in, click Find Device to see the phone's last reported position on the map. If it's nearby, use Play Sound to ring the phone. If it's lost in public, use Lock to display a message and prevent access. If data safety is critical, you can erase remotely, but note that erasing may disable further tracking, so decide carefully. You finish by verifying the action succeeded and preparing for issues. After sending a command, confirm the device shows online and refresh the map a few times. Network delays happen. If the phone is offline, wait for it to reconnect or track the last known location and check the SIM or battery state when you can. If nothing works, make sure the same My account is logged in, location and find device toggles remain enabled, and that the phone has internet.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.